changes who I. Goose, you need to move your hand before my boyfriend gets here. He's gonna be really mad to see us like this. I am. It's the best thing that I'll ever do. I get to love you.
I can't help you at the moment, dude. I'm a little indisposed.
She has so much hair on me. Undone, and I